sick. Madam, if you are sick, you don't go out to the mall. Why are you here when you are sick? Who is this man? Did you have us? Why did you behave so stupid? Ignoramus! Mga pobre! Mga naka-Rolex! Hindi ka nga naka-Gucci! Ako ba pinili mo? No, I want your name! Get his name! Get his name! I want...
Hindi naman pwedeng palampasin yun. Yung pag inaalipusta ka na. Dinidefend ko nga yung ibang tao pag ginaganon sila. Sarili ko pa kaya. Sabihan ba naman niya ako sa Rockwell Mall na you're coughing. You should leave the mall. You should stay at home. Ha? Doon yun nagsimula. Saka ang dami kong kilala doon sa Rockwell Mall. Nakapaligid doon yung mga residents doon. Kilala ko yan sila. Kilala nila ako. Isa pa nga, sinabi pa siya sa akin nung tinuntahan ko siya, I'm sorry sir for the commotion. Sabi nga niya, Miss Gonson. Gumanon pa nga eh. Ibig sabihin, napahiya talaga ako doon sa ginawa ng taong yun. Sabihan ka ba naman? Don't you have money to buy a mask? Bawal pala sa kanya kahit umubo ka lang minsan. Kahit nasa public place ka, Rockwell Mall ka. Aba yung mga tao doon, they're very courteous, ha? They say hello to each other, you know, familiar faces. Obviously, hindi siya taga doon. Later we found out na hindi talaga sila taga doon. Kasi nung nasa police station na sila, siyempre may mga ID na sila. Nagreklamo po talaga ako sa police and filed the case for unjust fixation and grave oral defamation last night. Kahit gabing-gabi na I wasn't feeling well and I'm tired and I had no dinner. So I ate one mushroom pie and a bottle of water. But I'm okay now. I want to just to let you know that I'm okay. I'm just resting today.